Well, the next step to getting to that ghostly intermittent problem, those of you who have been following me, the last time I thought I might have it licked was a relay, and I still have the issue. It's just that I didn't have it for a few times of using the machine after I switched relays, but now it's still, the problem's still there. It's just that I have to press the button hard, and that's this button here, and I'm going to show how I got this thing apart. It's self-explanatory how to take the thing off. It takes some, in my case, 1/8 inch Allen screws. That's these 4 screws here. 2 of them are right there. And then the other panel that goes across this and to the other side, you got to take those 2 screws off of that panel, let it just drop down, then you can take this off. I had to pull this off and count the contacts inside of this. There's 10 pins in the 10 holes, 10 pin holes, but only 9 wires inside the tape. And it has this hourglass shape to it. The other option, excuse me, yeah, 9 wires. The other option has 10 wires completely, and this tape is wider. It's the same width all the way across into the button panel there. And I tested this before. I had this apart last year, and I checked continuity for the contacts that go to this switch. It was easy to follow them. There's a common ground that goes all the way around, and then 2 spots over is the next one. I just had an interruption. I'm not sure where I was. Okay, this thing goes through here, and this is glued on. There's glue on the other side of this. It's not going to stick as well now because I've had my dirty fingers on it, and so I pried that off with this. But before I even did that, that's where that comes through. And this plugs in under this. It plugs in right there. And these right here plug into your main harness. Once this is all put together tight, then it goes out of here. And somebody thinks, well, I'm touching this circuit board, and you never touch circuit boards. Well, that's true. But this circuit board, if you see the reflection there, it's got silicone, transparent silicone painted over it on both sides. So you can touch that all you want. You're not going to, I mean, the silicone goes over all of these parts in there. So the only thing it's not on is these, I forgot the name they got for these little motors for your gauges and the lights. These 2 lights here that go in it. And those lights, there's a plug in the back. You can pull those rubber plugs off and get to those lights without taking this apart. Now this thing was very tightly glued inside of here. And in order for me to get that off, I don't know the right way to do it, but the way I ended up doing it was using one of these seal picks. It's shaped like that. And I had to go around and around and around, over and over and over again, keep going around and around, cutting at this silicone. This is a hard silicone. And to get that seal cut off, and I didn't reseal it because I didn't know if I was done with it or not, and I still don't know when I get this part from Amazon for $60. I still don't know if I'm done. I'm going to try, and I'll update the video, or maybe I won't even put the video up until I find out for sure that this is it. If I can run that machine for a week or 2 without this acting up, then I'll know that that was it. Otherwise, I would have to send this off to a place called, what's it called, ISO something, I can't think of it. It's a place in Chicago. I'll get the name and try to add it on the video. Send this whole unit in for about $500. They'll repair it and guarantee it for a year and send it back. Or buy the whole unit new for $1,000. I'm going for this $60 repair first. Okay. My new part arrived. I got to put this thing back together and see if that will take care of my problem. I just put this thing back together, and I did not put new silicone glue around it yet because I want to make sure this thing is right. And if it works good for a month or two or whatever before it gets cold out, I'll try to remember to take this back apart. Just these screws here, and then lift these little locking tabs. They're plastic, they'll break off if you're not careful with those. And put the silicone in it. Just regular Permatex gasket maker ultra silicone glue. That was the air conditioner. Just a soft touch and it's on each time. So I think that fixed it. I dearly hope so.